Hello, people! Welcome to the Crypto Clips YouTube channel. They're all just cryptocurrencies, right? Not quite. There are important differences between the type of crypto coin and the type of crypto token that can help users get the most out of their investments. Crypto Clipper in general, the difference between coins and tokens is that one is created by software, while the other is simply a trading method to circulate a coin. Though coins and tokens are different in many ways, their main use is to circulate within their networks. If you want more of this content, subscribe to the Crypto Clips YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Bitcoin came in the form of a coin because the whole purpose of its blockchain is used for BTC transactions only. Today, BTC is the only coin on the Bitcoin blockchain. The hard forks have produced offshoot coins like Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold. This is why coins are often described as native, because they exist as the primary currency of a blockchain. Developing a coin is often a lot more time-consuming because of this, unless the developer wants to copy or heavily borrow from an existing protocol. Coins are often used as stores of value. While this isn't always the case, they tend to be an investment because they can be used within networks to carry out specific tasks like transferring money or buying a service. Coins are also various consensus mechanisms like proof of work and proof of stake. Tokens are digital assets that can assist on a pre-existing blockchain. Every specific project or app, otherwise known as DApp, has their own tokens, which with the Ethereum blockchain is often the case. There are multiple examples of coins that exist on Ethereum's platform and use different types of utility for those coins, including Ether or ETH. BAT is an Ethereum-based token used in the Brave browser to track user cryptocurrency assets, behaviors, and habits. Brave hosts its own private advertising platform that uses BAT as the currency for exchanging advertisements. Users can also receive BAT for watching advertisements on their Brave browser or other BAT supporting websites. It isn't only a currency that Ether can be used for. Through gas fees, Ethereum-based tokens and services, Ether can also be used to make transactions on its own blockchain, from transactions to making payments. Many project developers opt to use well-known, trusted pre-existing blockchains like Ethereum or Zilliqa for the added security and convenience. Although this can be difficult because of learning curve and difficulty in development, it's not unusual for project tokens to become coins on their own blockchain. Like coins, most cryptocurrency tokens are mined. However, there is also a category of cryptocurrencies that are pegged to the value of real-world assets, such as US dollars and their intrinsic value, and number available for mining. The varying origins of coins and tokens make them function differently in monetary value. Both asset types have their own set of advantages and disadvantages, which can determine what you purchase with cryptocurrencies. For almost everyone, they have confused a token with a coin at some point in their cryptocurrency journey. It's important for the process of identifying a cryptocurrency to be made quicker and more accurate. Coin and token are both valuable assets that each represent a payment method. You can swap coins for tokens or vice versa. Tokens and coins are two entirely different currencies. Where tokens can only be used in one place, coins are accepted by any marketplaces that take them. Trading cryptocurrencies is like investing. But what's been missed by most people is that many cryptocurrency users also hold both cryptocurrencies and tokens. Bitcoin was the first digital coin that appeared, and then others followed. This makes Bitcoin cryptocurrency stand out because of its distinguishing qualities. With its native crypto coin, Bitcoin operates on the blockchain. The blockchain keeps track of all transactions involving Bitcoin's coin. When you pay someone with Ethereum, the receipt goes to the Ethereum blockchain. When they later pay you back with Bitcoin, the receipt goes to the Bitcoin blockchain. Each transaction is protected by encryption and is accessible by any member of the network. With the blockchain and cryptocurrency becoming more widespread, it's very important to address what happens when a smart contract pays out to an individual or a business which uses another type of currency. Bitcoin was created as an alternative to traditional forms of currency, but with the same benefits being granted by transparency and anonymity. Other coins have been introduced to fill the void, including FNEO and Litecoin. With transactions with major corporations such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Tesla, you can easily purchase merchandise and services in the cryptocurrency of your choice. Bitcoin has recently become an official currency of El Salvador alongside the US dollar. There are two ways to earn crypto coins on the proof of work system. One is through traditional mining, which requires large amounts of energy, and the other is getting paid for your work in crypto coins. Many people do this by hunting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The problem with this is that there isn't enough cryptocurrency left to mine, so the process becomes more arduous every day. The other method is proof of stake or POS, a newer, more efficient way to earn coins. It's lighter on energy consumption and easier to do. This is the platform most cryptocurrencies use. They preserve the security of the blockchain by using a proof of stake system. Cardano is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies that use this system. Tokens are also not tied to their blockchain like coins are. Instead, they operate on other cryptocurrency blockchains. You can see many tokens on Ethereum's blockchain, including BAT, BNT, Tether, and various stablecoins like the USDC. All cryptocurrencies need a smart contract to regulate transactions. For example, Ethereum uses ERC20 and NEO uses NEP5. When a token or item is sold, it changes ownership and moves from one place to another. A good example of this is the trading of NFTs or non-fungible tokens. They are one-of-a-kind items, so ownership must be manually handled. Because NFTs often carry only sentimental or artistic value, they are similar to utility tokens, but have restrictions such as not requiring any services. Blockchain is not just designed to create an account, but also act as a means of transferring money from one person to another. The bank fees remain the same. They're just going somewhere else. Tokens represent any asset, anything that has value. Like coins, they are virtual counterparts to actual money. They are distinct from coins as they can stand for anything with value, without needing to represent a physical object like gold. You can use tokens for transactions, but you must decide whether the most value is in them, in comparison to coins, which can be spent anywhere. For example, a company's shares. However, there are usually restrictions on what you can do with a token, so they don't have the wide spectrum of exchangeability that coins offer. This is simple. What you own is the token, and what you're capable of owning is the coin. On a broader scale, tokens existed long before cryptocurrencies were even conceived, though today it has very little to do with crypto, except in that it might be used on the same blockchains with it. Everyone uses a token at least once in their life. Those vouchers included with the dinner you received in the email are a token. The car title you got after buying your car is a token. Just like trading in your car, when you sell that title, it gets transferred to someone else. However, you can't go to Microsoft and buy a computer with that title or restaurant voucher. To tie in the usefulness of tokens, various networks including Ethereum provide templates that help you brand tokens and set up a trading account. There is a high density of these trades on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. There is not a vast difference between the two, but it's easy to overlook and could cause a headache. The best way to decide which one you should use is to pay attention to what you are buying. If you are buying something, most often you would need coins. If it's a service and you are using utility tokens, that will usually be the case. The way we spend tokens is similar to cash, but here, we mentioned that only coins do not represent money. Perhaps this is a way that financial marketers are tricking us. To generally refer to any token as a coin or to generally refer to any coin as a token, some people will refer to tokens as digital assets. However, with crypto coins and tokens, it's important to understand the differences. We will further explain the difference between tokens and coins, providing examples of each and look at how they might be used. In the end, your goal is to be able to identify tokens and coins as digital assets. With this strategy, you will learn how to spot various design elements that distinguish coins and tokens, including how they're abbreviated and spelled. A digital coin is an asset that exists on their own blockchain. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum are examples of digital coins. Cryptocurrencies and digital coins are virtual, meaning they don't exist in a physical form. Transactions of these types of currency can only be made between two people, but do not have an effect on the world's economy. Blockchain is the system by which cryptocurrencies exist, and it lets you know that other people have had transactions with somebody else. The blockchain stores all the transactions that happened around the world, making sure that everything is working properly. Cash-only coins are used to be paid for goods, services, and other investments. Let's say we're going to use cryptocurrency Bitcoin as an example. With the rise of cryptocurrencies, you are able to pay for online goods and services with Bitcoin. Bitcoin are also accepted in many brick-and-mortar stores. You can store this digital object or asset and use it in a later project with no limits. Bitcoin uses blockchain technology and an algorithm to effectively store digital assets of high quality with security. Bitcoin can only be liquidated, traded, or used as currency. One feature that makes some digital coins so popular is the ability to trade with ease. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency that is used to make transactions happen on the Ethereum network. Tokens can be built on Ethereum, but Ether is still required to send a token. It funds the mining costs, which are powering the computers that validate these transactions. With NEO, a token can be staked to earn the gas dividend. There are similar methods on Ethereum, like token staking. You have to pay gas on a transaction fee in the same way that you would use Ether when sending tokens to Ethereum. And this process is just like how that works. With a flexible idea called voting rights, the holders of Dash can decide on how an upgrade takes place. With enough Dash, you can vote on many topics that influence the project, like how the project evolves and what specific changes are required. Cryptocurrency dividends are coins or tokens paid to users who leave coins in a wallet. A good example is NEO's gas, which is paid out to users who don't actively use their coins, but rather stake them to secure the network. The dividend can only be received on blockchains that rely on a POS consensus. Not all coins have large market cap. CoinMarketCap specifically lists nearly 900 different types of digital coin. Large cap coins includes Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, XRP, and Litecoin. Most current exchanges use the 3 or 4 letters and symbols after the name of coins and tokens, not their full names. The ticker is usually displayed as a precursor to more information about an asset. Tokens are often called digital coins, but they are not the same. They have a major difference. Tokens are created on existing blockchains. In fact, thanks to the creation and facilitation of smart contracts, tokens that are built on the Ethereum platform are known as ERC-20 tokens. These tokens were created to work primarily on Ethereum platform, while NEO uses tokens known as NEP5 to create a new Ethereum token and have it distributed on the Ethereum network. The creator of the token will have to spend some Ether, currency of the Ethereum network, to get the first miners to validate the creation of that token on their network. It's important to keep in mind that the coin-to-coin transactions on a blockchain, like the creation of a token on the Ethereum blockchain, need to pay both fees for the transaction and fees for deploying the corresponding smart contract. Therefore, any application built on Ethereum needs Ethercoins because they are its sole means of moving reliable tokens from one user to another or between an app and a user. The same as how coin transactions need fees to be paid, attention should be paid to the monetary value of information. Most tokens exist to be used with decentralized applications or dApps, with the ability to decide how many units they want and what currency they will be made utilizing. Development teams have more control over the distribution of their new token. Development teams pay some of the native cryptocurrency on their blockchain at the point of token creation. After they are programmed, tokens are often used to activate features of the application they were designed for. Binance makes use of its own token, Binance Coin or BNC, which is used for cheaper trading fees. You can trade on Binance and make 50% less than you would if you were to purchase similar volumes on exchanges where the fee is already at market rates. Some tokens are created to represent physical entities. For example, you can use a token representing your house in a contract that creates ownership and secure transfer of property. Example is real estate or shares. The WePower project is a decentralized application that allows users to buy and sell energy on the blockchain using smart contracts. The company's token WPR represents a certain amount of electricity. Since the apps are built on existing blockchains, they save developers time and resources by not having to build their own. The blockchain features of cryptocurrency can be used in the dApps platform, as well as benefiting from security that the native blockchain provides. That's it for this video, Crypto Clipper. Remember to subscribe to our channel. And if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you soon.